Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for being here with me today. So my first colour is TLP Sea Glass, and my canvas is a 12 by 16 inch, 30 by 40 centimetres. As you can see, I'm pouring over. I didn't like my first attempt. This one is Turquoise Light Hue by Atelier. And this is a mixture. It's TLP Wild Atlantic mixed with TLP Sea Glass. More Wild Atlantic than Sea Glass. I just wanted to lighten it slightly. Makes a really nice colour, those two together. I really encourage you to mix colours together to achieve beautiful colours. This one is another Atelier Manganese Blue Hue. But it's such fun mixing colours. And I like how you never get the same one twice, so you've always getting new colours. This one is Amsterdam Greenish Blue. And I'm also adding a Boomgel stain, Pearlescent Teal. That's this one. Boomgels are ready to use straight out of the bottle, but you need to shake them first. And you can buy them from Fluid Art Co, where you get your this little biggie pigments from, along with all the palette knives. My cell activator today is, it's a mix of 3 titanium whites, Pebeo, Atelier and Amsterdam. No reason, I just like to experiment. So every time, almost every time, I mix my CA, especially the white, I do like to try different things. I usually mix Atelier and Amsterdam equal parts, but I bought Pebeo, so I thought let's try putting some of that in and see if we get some nice lacing. And I do think the lacing is nice and crisp. I don't know if it's any different. I haven't really compared it that closely, but I quite like the effect it gives. I would imagine it would work on its own as well, so anybody who can't get Amsterdam, you can try Pebeo. And that's mixed with Australian Floetrol, as always, nothing else added. Approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of the Floetrol to 1 part of paint. I always put the paint in my container first, so I did approximately equal parts of the 3 of the paints. Then I mix them together thoroughly, and then I add my Floetrol a little bit at a time, because I find it mixes easier rather than putting a lot in. I find if you just add a little bit of Floetrol at a time, you never have to worry about it going lumpy and taking ages to mix it together to get a nice creamy consistency. It mixes in nicely. It's a bit like baking. You add a little bit at a time, you always get a better result. I'm going to put some music on now and let you carry on watching.
Know me, take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers, it's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance, and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. too long. Yes, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been, oh, we don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been too long. Too long.
I really like this. I think it's gentle and soft, and of course beautiful blues. I think it's really pretty, delicate. If you like it, please hit that like button and please share with your friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. It's absolutely free to do so. And I put everything I've used, all my paints, in my description box. Click on the video title to easily access if you're on a computer or your phone, iPad, but you can't do that via the TV if you're watching on your TV. So thank you for being here with me. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. See you all next time. Bye.